Let me share with you this amazing, refreshing, non-alcohol mango mojito summer drink. I bet you will love it. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Annie Krieger. Now, today, without wasting much of your time, I bring you something very refreshing. The summer is really hot over here, and I guess yours too. So let's dive right in as we prepare our mango mojito drink. Now, for our non-alcohol mango drink, you want to grab two full ripe mango, go ahead and peel it and cut into cubes just like this, or you can go for 2.5 cups of frozen mango. Now add 1 cup of water, blend everything generously to make a nice juice just like this. You will set that aside for now. Another ingredients is 1 handful of mint leaf, 1 lime. The lime should be organic, please. And then use anything suitable to model everything. Use a modeler or whatever that is capable to do this job for you. This will release the juice from the lime and the fragrance from the mint leaf. Transfer your minced lime in a mug. Introduce 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. It's optional. You can decide to just skip it or just add in some to sweeten it a little bit. Now you want to bring in your generously stir everything first and then introduce your homemade mango juice. If you feel like the juice is still too thick, add in 1 cup of water. Incorporate everything and you are good to go, guys. This is a very simple, refreshing mango mojito, non-alcohol. Like I will always say, the ice eats along. In this case, the ice drinks along. So I bet you will feel like having a taste of this drink at this point because everything here is looking so enticing. Grab any suitable glass to serve your drink, like highball glass, cooling glass, or old-fashioned glass, whatever that is available. Now you will add in some fresh mints again and then some ice cube. I also went in with some mango cubes, okay, and then serve your drink. You can decide to have your drink smooth by straining out everything that we already added. So it has released all the flavor. So you can go ahead to strain it or just serve, sorry to say, just served old-fashioned way, just like that, okay? Now, guys, I'll use this time once again, say thank you, thank you, thank you for still watching. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to this channel because I promise you have nothing to lose. Amazing recipes, refreshing drinks are coming. Easy, simple, delicious, yummy meals recipes are coming your way. So hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for doing so. After adding your drink, you will not miss the soda water. So add in some soda water or sparkling water for that bubbling. Stir everything, garnish with some sliced mango, some sliced lime, and then go in with some mints. You can choose to go for your straw if you have one, like, guys. This tasted heavenly. Tasted fantastic. It tasted everything you can ask for in a mango drink. I love mango anyway, so maybe that's one more reason I love it. It's my number one refreshing non-alcohol drink for the summer. This is a very short recipe. If you still want to have it shorter but detailed again, then check me out on TikTok again and screen your plate. Or you can check out my YouTube shorts. It's also there detailed and short videos. I bet you will also love those videos. Now, thank you so much for still watching. Don't forget to like, leave your opinion in the comment section, and bye for now.